Welcome to the Saul Knee and Spine Clinic. As you know, Saul Heart Center gives relief to the patients who are going for bypass surgery, angioplasty, but still they do not want to go for it. They come to us and we train them up so that they do not need a surgery, angioplasty, they avoid heart attack. We educate them and we give them medical therapy. In the same lines, two operations were very common and we wanted to prevent them. One is spine surgery and one is knee surgery. Both these problems, the knee and the spine problems, are because of the lifestyle change, and we thought, why not work on them? We did our research, we found out there's a unique way of treating both the diseases without surgery, and that's why we launched our first clinic in Lajpat Nagar. Now I'll explain what exactly do we do. We have already opened last month on the World Health Day, 7th April, we opened our first clinic in Lajpat Nagar, and we plan few more clinics in Delhi, and then we plan pan-India presence all across with franchisee centers. Let me explain what we do. We have a 360-degree treatment for the spine problems, and these problems are one by one we treat people by four things. Number one is allopathic medications and pain relief. How do we do it? The allopathic medicines, we have some hyaluronic acid which can be injected intra-arterial, but that is in a later stage. The first stage we would usually want people to go for anti-inflammatory medications, and then for cartilage regeneration we tell them to go for glucosamine and other chondroitin sulfate kind of medicines. Then for regeneration of the cartilages we give them vitamin D and calcium and some anti-inflammatory applications. These are all almost all non-invasive, but if the stage is advanced, if there is lot of swelling, we also take permission for the patients to give intra-arterial grease, that is hyaluronic acid, or some anti-inflammatory injections. Second part of our treatment is detoxification, which is adopted from the Ayurveda. You know, toxicity happens in our body now with the pollution around, with the bad food and all the contaminated food. We have toxicity, and to remove this toxicity we give them a few things. One is of course cleaning of the whole intestine, that we achieve by some anti-constipation homeopathy drugs, and along with that we give them alkaline water to detoxify all the cells of the body. There is a arc, there is a Ayurvedic arc which is used to detoxify liver, kidney and the lungs. And along with that we have some potli and some herbal drink, and we have some local Ayurvedic applications. These all help in detoxification and improving the patient within few days. And along with that, the third treatment is joint conditioning, where the muscle strengthening is done, muscle flexibility is improved, the ligament flexibility improved, the ligaments improve, the decompression of the spine is done by physical and the mechanical means. And we also have from allopathic and from the joint conditioning, we have TENS therapy, ultrasound therapy, and some Faradic stimulation through which we can help people to regenerate the cartilages. And the lifestyle part, that's the last part of our treatment. In lifestyle, what we do is we reduce the weight and we change the diet pattern of the patient. We teach them the postures that they should know for the spine improvement and the joint improvement. Along with that, we give them stress management training, how to reduce the stress, because stress is one of the major reasons, and how to relax. And these are parts of our treatment, and I believe we have done. And we also take help of yoga. Yoga is also a part of it. There is a dance called Tai Chi dance, which is very good for the spine. We also include that. So we have a whole some treatment: allopathic, Ayurvedic, joint conditioning, and then the lifestyle change. And this works wonderfully well. We have now already treated some patients, and we have got wonderful results, and I believe that this treatment is going for a long haul, and all across India we will be able to spread this message that look, if you have done wrong with your joint, if you have done wrong with your spine, it is time to correct them, and our body can heal itself. Let the ligaments, let the muscles, let the joints become all right by healing, and this healing works very well. So please join us, and I believe you should spread this message to your relatives, to your friends, and let's see how we can help each other. And I believe this treatment is going to help millions of people avoid surgeries and costly surgeries, and complications of the surgery. And spine operations, they are so difficult and they have so many complications. So if it is without surgery, if we can cure them, if we can lead them a very good life without surgery, it will be good. So welcome to Saval Knee and Spine